Good morning to all of you. I am Seema, TGT Science from Saraswati Bal Mandir, Rajouri Garden School. Today in this session, we are going to take topic parts of flower. As we all know that flower is a reproductive organ of a plant. Flower of different shape, sizes and colors. Let us get familiar with different parts of flower. The main part of flowers are sepals, the attractive colors, petals, the male reproductive part, stamen, and the female reproductive part called carpel or pistil. As you can see in the picture that the male reproductive part, stamen, consists of two parts, that is anther and filament. The anther has pollen grains which take parts in reproduction process. Now on the right hand side of the picture, you can see the female reproductive part, pistil, which is consist of three main parts, that is stigma, style and ovary. Stigma, which is terminal part of pistil or carpel. This is sticky in nature. Next is the thread-like structure called style. And there is basal swollen part called ovary. The ovary has ovules which contain female reproductive cell called ova. I hope you all understood about different parts of flower. Now let us perform the dissection of hibiscus flower to make your understanding more better. First, we will remove the sepals one by one very slowly and gently. Do you know the functions of sepals? Sepals are modified leaves that form the outer wall of a flower and are first part of flower to form. It provides support and protection for a flower bud as they close up around it until it is ready to bloom. Now we have almost removed all the sepals of a flower. Now let us remove the petals of a flower one by one. Petals are oftenly brightly colored or unusually shaped to attract insects and birds for pollination process. Pollination is very much necessary for reproduction. We have removed all the petals. Now we are left over with male and female reproductive parts. Now we will open the style and the ovary of a flower. For this we can use any sharp edge like scale, knife, or we can use our nails. We should do this very gently. Now you can see that we have removed the ovary. Now we will open this ovary which contain very small ovules. Now we can see the ovules very clearly in it. You can clearly see the ovules in this picture. I hope you all understood about different parts of flower. Thank you for listening me patiently.